Right then, so today we are at the Motorist, and I'll tell you what, right, it is an absolutely chaotic day. There's literally no space at all, so I've been told to park here, right next to the entrance. So yeah, we're coming to 25, simply because my other one's on song. It's still kind of winter in it really, so yeah, I'm using the daily, so I just thought I'd bring that. Cleaned it up yesterday and it looks decent, it looks presentable in some regard. I need to sort them scratches out, but yeah, anyway. Right, I've actually managed to cross without being run over by many people. This is Chris's Citroen XM, which is very nice actually. I haven't seen this in person. Lovely interior on that, very Citroen-esque, isn't it? I always like the back ends of these as well, really nice cars. Definitely credits to Chris for this. It's used daily, there we go. 2.1 litre turbo diesel, very nice. Little MG midget there as well, it's nice. MG BGT. Old Golf as well, it's very nice. Polo G40, wow. G40 there, exceptionally rare. I don't know if it's probably a genuine one, maybe. If it is, then wow. Another one that's been kind of like modified sort of thing. Arches widened and stuff. This here, very it stuck out to me quite a lot. It's an MG Maestro Turbo. Lovely car. We've made around 500 of these. Paintwork on it's absolutely immaculate as well. Really nice paintwork on that. Very good. And it's original, which is nice. Nice to see. It's for sale as well. 13.5 grand. Very nice. Nice Rover 2000 twin carb. Lovely little Fiesta there as well. Is it gonna be? Yeah, it has a couple of alloys on it. Nice. Lovely. Very nice. A few Civics over there as well. Little MG midget. See, this one's nice here, this V-Reg one. It's not been overdone. I like that. I think I've seen this before actually as well. Yeah, I like that, that's nice. Try and do a bit of gymnastics here. Volkswagen Scirocco there, very nice.
Just sounds like a piece of shit.
Look at this. That's great. Look at the size of the steering wheel now. Bloody hell. Yes. See, that should be at the front. Definitely. I like that. Old Nova there, that's quite nice. A few Nova there actually. I know that blue one's a saloon. Nova Saloon. SR in yellow. It's very nice. Another one there, later one. That is nice, I like that a lot. That is lovely. Lovely that, very nice. Ford Zephyr, I don't know how you bloody say it. Someone will correct me. Cappuccino. Little cars in them. I bet if you're over 6 foot you'd struggle to get in there. That is very small, I just realised, Jesus. A few Stags there. Anglia. I've come here with one of my mates who has brought this truck for test, 2 litre. He's had the engine rebuilt on it recently and it sounds absolutely lovely, really nice. So yeah, definitely a very nice car. So we did a little convoy on the way down here, so yeah. Yeah, so try and not get run over by any cars coming. Vauxhall Magnum. Very nice. Yes, a Chevrolet Impala. We've seen this quite a few times here actually. It's got some like skeleton in it. It's got ginger hair like me. Wee. I've seen this quite a bit as well. This must be quite local. I've seen that quite a lot. Oh, there's a Mercedes 240 diesel. Very nice. Over there is a very, very nice mini van. Nice squeeze down here. I think I can. That's very clean, isn't it? Look at that. That is lovely. That should be at the front, really, that, to be quite honest with you. I don't know why it isn't.
He always has a car with the mate.
Definitely needs to be at the front. A Ford Mustang. Hey, look, there's a Metro here. How lovely. Little Metro. I like the yellow headlights on it now. It's cool. Very nice. Don't know where to go. There's that many bloody cars here. I'm kind of lost. Nice little MGB GT there. Little 106. Starting to become quite fond of those. Quite nice cars of 106. What's this? 11? I've got no idea what this is. This is like kind of interested me. I've not seen this. Oh, it's nice. I like that. Ooh, hello. So, with what's under there then, eh? That's quite interesting. I like the alloys on that as well. Very cool. I've never actually ever seen. Or have I? I don't know if I've seen that one before. I'm sure I remember one with the bonnet being up. I'm sure I do. This is a 405 MI16. Wow. That's very nice. Wow. Not bad. Little Figaro leaving there. Nice old Astra here. I like these Astras. These are really nice. Another Astra here actually. It's a GSI 16 valve as well. It's really nice. Lovely. That is lovely. I like the steel wheels on that. Really nice. Old BMW here. Toyota Corolla. I really like these, especially the hatchbacks. This one yeah. I don't know why I like these. I just do. There's one near me actually. It's quite nice. MGZT. Lovely. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. You can probably tell I say very nice quite a lot. Probably getting fed up with me. Lovely little Saab there. Now this interests me here. The Proton. I like these as well. I really want to do a design on one of these at some point, but I need to get some reference photos, so this could be the one. It's an automatic as well. Two. Little mini there, very nice. Vauxhall Nova Sport. Now, I believe this is a genuine sport as well, so that's be worth quite a bit. It's very nice. Metro 6R4, look at that. We saw one of these actually on the road, like about 3 or 4 weeks ago. It's white. It's really nice. Lovely. Yes, please. That's very cool. I like that. It's very nice. Ooh, look at this. Oh, let's go, man. He's got a lot sticked into these ones. Not too bad though. There's a GTI as well, it's nice. Very clean, isn't it? Very clean, very nice. Behind it's an XR2i Mark III. That's very nice. There's another Stag there. Oh look, there's an MGZR. Get in, let's go. Sorry, I got excited. Nice little Polo bridge van there. I like them. The Porsche 944. Some big American Cadillac with massive bumpers that'll impale you if you run out in front of it. I like the patina on this. So it's getting a bit happy on the horn over there. ZR, let's go. Yes, please. Ooh. That diesel. Very nice. But there's another like 25 sort of ZR here. It's quite nice to see. I'm not the only one. I'm not the only one who's mad. Now, if I was to get a Volvo, this would be probably the one. Very quirky indeed. It's not like your usual Volvo sort of styling, is it? But yeah, either that or a 340 or a 240. Oh, you know what? Whatever, any Volvo really. I like them. You can see they've got the Volvo grille underneath instead. So yeah, pretty cool. Nice old Ford there as well. Lovely. Yeah, that's quite nice as well. Paintwork's lovely. 328, 328. Aye. Lovely. Lovely jubbly. Reliant Scimitar. Next to a Subaru. Oh, wait up. My brother used to love these. Subaru. There we go. Impreza. Very nice. Reliant Scimitar GTE. I'm not even going to say it, because you probably already know what I'm going to say. Let's have a wander over here. Yeah, the queue to get in this is just... It took us about an hour to get in. We were queuing up, there's a roundabout nearby, we were queuing up near there, it's absolutely ridiculous. Old Ford Escort there, that's very nice. Right, we are back over here and I've just spotted something. Bond bugs. Look at these. These are really cool little things. Must be brave to drive them. It's very cool. I believe this is a Rover that's been converted into some sort of flatbed. That's very cool. Yeah, Rover 100 converted into a flatbed. Definitely something different there. That's a nice guy. American. Not really clued up on my Americans as such, but by what I'm guessing it's a Kaiser Darren. So, only 435 produced. This is number 105. Bloody hell. There we go, rare car. The Lion. Right, Robin. That's mint. Love that. Very nice. Go back over here, we've got a Ford Cabriolet there, it's quite nice. A bit more space up here now. It's a bit more empty. Yeah, well that's, hopefully it's not as busy. Earlier was absolutely horrendous. Another Vauxhall Nova. Wow, quite a few Novas today. I don't know if I've even been around this bit, have I? I can't remember. Motorist, it's been modified a bit. No Mini. Dolomite Sprint. It's very nice. This is where it's quite busy. Vauxhall there. One of the early ones, definitely very American inspired. Mustang. Very nice. Lovely. BMW Ford Escort there, very nice. An Alfa Romeo, is this a TI or something? It's an Alfa Sud TI, yeah. Lovely, very nice. I believe this is where all the action's happening. I'm not really wanting to go in there because it'll just be absolute chaos. Another Mustang there, a Lotus, two Lotuses actually. Let's see, this car's constantly coming in, crazy. But yeah, let's have a look at this here. This is quite interesting, isn't it? Something out of bloody GT online, that, isn't it? Bloody hell. Yeah, I like that. That's quite nice. Very cool. I believe that's about it really. I don't think, I mean, I'll probably record a bit more if there's anything else that's coming in, but I believe that's about it really. So yeah, cheers for watching guys. I'll see you in another video.